Your ultimate Florida travel guide. Top destinations, things to do, and tips. Welcome to Florida, the Sunshine State. From its pristine beaches to world-class theme parks and natural wonders, Florida is a destination that has it all. In this video, we'll explore the top places to visit, the best activities, and essential tips to help you plan your perfect Florida holiday. Top destinations in Florida. Miami. First up, Miami. A city bursting with culture, nightlife, and stunning beaches. Spend your day lounging on South Beach, exploring the colorful Art Deco district, or savoring authentic Cuban cuisine in Little Havana. Don't miss a sunset cruise along Biscayne Bay for breathtaking views of the Miami skyline. Orlando is the ultimate destination for families and thrill seekers. Home to Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld, there's endless fun for kids and adults alike. For a change of pace, check out Icon Park for shopping and dining, or visit the nearby Kennedy Space Center to dive into space exploration. The Florida Keys. Next, escape to the Florida Keys, a tropical paradise connected by the scenic Overseas Highway. Key West is famous for its laid-back vibe, Ernest Hemingway's house, and stunning sunsets at Mallory Square. Water lovers can enjoy snorkeling or diving in the Florida Reef, the only living coral barrier reef in the continental US. The Everglades. For nature enthusiasts, the Everglades National Park is a must-visit. Take an airboat tour to spot alligators, explore the mangroves by kayak, or hike the park's many trails to experience this unique ecosystem up close. Tampa and St. Petersburg. On Florida's Gulf Coast, Tampa and St. Petersburg offer a mix of adventure and relaxation. Visit Busch Gardens for thrilling rides, stroll along the white sands of St. Pete Beach, or explore the world-class art collections at the Dali Museum. Clearwater Beach. Clearwater Beach is consistently ranked among the best beaches in the US. With its crystal-clear waters, vibrant beachside atmosphere, and opportunities for dolphin-watching tours, it's a perfect spot for families and couples alike. Naples and Marco Island. For a quieter, upscale experience, head to Naples and Marco Island. Enjoy luxury shopping, fine dining, and relaxing on tranquil beaches. Naples is also a gateway to the 10,000 Islands, a haven for kayaking and wildlife enthusiasts. Top activities and experiences. Now let's talk about things to do in Florida. Water sports. Florida is perfect for snorkeling, paddleboarding, jet skiing, and fishing. Shopping. From high-end malls in Miami to outlet shopping in Orlando, you'll find something for every budget. Nightlife. Experience the vibrant nightlife of Miami, or catch a live show in Orlando. Food scene. Don't leave without trying Florida's famous key lime pie, fresh seafood, and Cuban sandwiches. Travel tips for visiting Florida. Best time to visit Florida is sunny year-round, but the best time to visit is during the cooler months from November to April. Avoid peak summer if you don't love the heat or large crowds. Transportation. Renting a car is the easiest way to get around, especially if you're exploring multiple cities. For the Florida Keys, the Overseas Highway drive is a must. Pack smart. Bring plenty of sunscreen, lightweight clothing, and comfortable shoes. If you're planning theme park visits, pack a refillable water bottle and a portable phone charger. Book in advance. For popular attractions like Disney World or Universal Studios, book tickets and accommodations well in advance to secure the best deals. Stay safe. Follow safety guidelines at beaches and parks, and stay hydrated, especially during the summer. Why Florida is a perfect holiday destination. From its stunning beaches and thrilling theme parks to its unique natural wonders, Florida truly has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, the Sunshine State promises an unforgettable holiday experience. Which Florida destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.